wife were visiting some friends in Black Canyon City this weekend, and one of them has a grandson that's learning how to drive. So she asked me, what advice would you give to a new driver? I immediately thought of two. And these two things will automatically make you a better driver, a more defensive driver, and drastically reduce the chance of you being in a collision. First, when you're making a lane change, always check your blind spot. That one time that you check and there's a car right there and you avoid that, that's going to pay for itself. And we covered that in a separate video, so please feel free to check that one out. And stay tuned to the end for some additional footage. And the other is to always maintain a 3-second following distance. Now, the biggest question is, how do you know if you have 3 seconds of following distance? Well, you see, you start counting. Well, how do I judge 3 seconds of following distance? Well, you see the truck ahead of me. I like to use, wow, look at that guy. That's unexpected. And you count from the car ahead of you. When it passes that stationary reference point, then you count the time it takes you to reach that same stationary object on the side of the road. It could be the shadow, it could be a light post, a sign, a fire hydrant, whatever it is. When that car ahead of you passes it, you count however long it takes you to reach that fire hydrant. From when that car passed it, that calculates your following distance. 3 seconds minimum, or if it's raining, and if you drive a big truck or SUV, start with 4 seconds and add another second to it if it's raining or weather conditions are unsafe. So if you found this information useful, or you know someone who's learning how to drive, please share this video with them. So those are the two biggest recommendations I feel will make you a safer driver. So remember, safe travels on no matter what road life takes. Again, make safe lane change. We covered that in a previous video. Check your mirrors, put your turn signal on, and always check your blind spot. So remember, safe travels on no matter what life road takes you.